Hello guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we are going to learn about geospatial data visualization methods. Make sure that you pay very close attention to this video because it is very important for you to know and understand how to visualize your geospatial data, because it will help you to communicate and present your analysis result to other people. The first visualization method is using choropleth maps. So choropleth maps use color shading or patterns to represent spatial data aggregated within predefined geographic boundaries, such as countries, states, or administrative regions. Let me show you examples of choropleth maps. So they look like this, guys. Okay, so now let's talk about the second visualization methods. Heat maps. So heat maps use color gradients to represent the density or intensity of spatial phenomena, such as population density, crime rates, or environmental pollution levels, providing a visual representations of spatial concentrations. Let me show you examples of heat map. So it looks like this, guys. Well, in the second project in this course, we are going to monitor air quality index in multiple locations in Los Angeles. So we are going to create very similar heat map like this, guys. Okay, let's move on to the third one, 3D maps. So 3D maps represent geographic features and spatial data in three-dimensional space, allowing for visualizing terrain, buildings, and infrastructure in a more realistic and immersive way. Let me show you examples of 3D maps. So they look like this, very cool, right? So you can see how tall is the building. Look at this, guys. Okay, now let's talk about the fourth visualization methods, flow maps. Flow maps use arrows or lines to represent the movement or directions of spatial flows, such as migration patterns, trade routes, or transportation networks, providing insights into spatial connections and interactions. Let me show you examples of flow maps. So they look like this. Look at this. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, point maps. So point maps uses symbols or markers to represent individual data points on a map, with each point corresponding to a specific locations or feature. It's commonly used for visualizing point-based data like landmarks, businesses, or geotagged photos. Let me show you examples of point maps. So each symbol represents data point. For example, this symbol represents the median center. This symbol represents the mean center. This symbol represents the fire stations. Okay, now let's move on to the next visualization methods, cartogram maps. So cartograms distort the geographic space of a map based on specific attributes such as populations or GDP, resizing and reshaping geographic regions to reflect the relative magnitude of the chosen variables. Let me show you a couple examples of cartogram maps. So it looks like this, guys. I'm pretty sure you are familiar with these cartogram maps. I see this a lot in social media. For example, states like California or Texas or Florida, New York. These states have very big populations, and these cartogram maps reflect the actual populations of each state. Okay guys, I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.